Okay, sanibonani. Mayelana nje mhlambe nodaba le March and March lwayizolo. Okokuqala ngifisa ukuthi ngabe ngiseThekwini marching along, and then le disappointment enginayo ukuthi mhlambe bengilindele okukhulu kuna lokhu okwenzekile, okuzoguqula isimo kwangempela. So kodwa ke ngiyabonga ukuthi kube yimashi enkulu kunamanye amamashi ake aba khona, bese ngiyaqinisekisa ukuthi angisiyo i-social media activist. Ngiwumuntu okuwukuthi mangikuleyo area ngiyazibandakanya kwimashi noma kusuke kwenziwa ukulwela ama-Black South Africans in our country. Ngangikhona e-Addington Primary ngoJanuwari ngoba bengiseThekwini, ngakwazi ukuthi usuku olulodwa ngiyolispenda khona from ngo-9 kwaze kwasha u3:30. Ngabuka nje ekufanele ngikubuke mangizibandakanya nezakhiwo ezikanje, because we are fully aware that in every organization of the public, Cyril Ramaphosa nabo bonke abantu abavule imincele yezwe lakithi, we know ukuthi they always bring in counter revolutionaries to study those organs within, ukuthi babheke ukuthi wobani the key people abasuke berana leyo nto leyo ukuze bayidle from within. Alright, so sakubona lokho ngabo Nhlanhla Lux, the Operation Dudula, and before Operation Dudula we saw similar, because ngeke ngaba kwenye organization ecishe kanjalo ngawo 2018 2019 eyayi-based kule area yeSoweto esihlala kuyona, nakhona saqaphela ngithi ngakufunda lapho ukuqaphela ukuthi okay, kuyaye kufakwe abantu abakanje and futhi bayaye bafakeke ezikhundleni ze-leadership, laba bazenza ngathi bawu yilolo hlelo bebe beludla ngaphakathi. So now let us speak about the police abablokhe ukuthi kungayiwa ePoint, bese ngizothi-ke nithi uPremier Ntuli oripota kwi-DA emfake lapho, oripota kuCyril Ramaphosa abamfake lapho KZN. You are saying to me guys ukuthi he is for the revolution and the struggle of Zulus in KZN and Black South Africans at large who are being ravaged by open borders intentionally opened to decimate Black South African nations, starting with the Zulu people, something which is orchestrated and done by DA liberals and also Arabs stroke Muslims and Socialists International, so the so-called New World Order, which Donald Trump is fighting against, which Netanyahu has stood his ground to defending his country Israel against, which many are fighting against, whether they're reported or not reported. Countries like Poland have stood their grounds and ensured that their borders are not compromised by the European Union, which set Cyril Ramaphosa over us by force, because they at least have admitted that Ramaphosa was their installation. So now you're wanting to tell me ukuthi you guys believe ukuthi uThami Ntuli is pro the war against illegal immigration namanga. It doesn't work like that. Rather, what I'm observing in him is the same thing that I was describing about Nhlanhla Lux nabo ku-Operation Dudula, and some characters I noted ukuthi amagama abantu bengakawazi. Some beng-attende Addington Primary saga ngoJanuwari ngabaqaphela abayilolu hlobo lwabantu abaplantwayo ngaphakathi kwento ukuze bayidle from ngaphakathi. So khona ubhuti engamqaphela noma abanye, kodwa kukhona lo bhuti nje lo engangembheki kakhulu owayezigqokise izimpahla ze-MK. So I saw some nasty there, and then uNhlanhla Lux ngambona the first match I attended mina isuke eDiepkloof Extreme Park iya eMotsoaledi. I was observing a lot of things, so okuwukuthi nje zisuka from the moment ngisuka la elokishini ngiya kuleyo mashi ngathi there can't be ukuthi kube nemashi Operation Dudula kodwa iy'tolo zama-foreigners zibe zivuliwe. Something is wrong with this formation. There are sellouts within. So yeah, a lot unfolded after that. The people who were truly Operation Dudula were those guys who were based in town. Those Zulu guys, I don't know what happened to that guy. Angithi ngiyalahlekelwa information yami laptop. I had to change my WhatsApp account. So I remember there was a truly genuine Operation Dudula guy. Hence, at that stage, when I saw what I saw, I said, I can't trust the Operation Dudula of Soweto. I'll trust the Operation Dudula of the city of Johannesburg, Rosettenville, and all those areas. So I followed that guy, and he was genuine. But along the way, he really did get sabotaged, and I can't find him anymore. I forgot even what his name was, because ultimately there was an instance where there became two Operation Dudulas. That one which was held by that guy, and they were fighting there in town to get rid of illegal immigrants. The fruits of their campaign has been born only recently, with the removal of most of those black foreigners, especially around the areas ago North Taxi Rank, Air Park Station, because those were the wars they were fighting ngaleso sikhathi. But ngaqaphela lapho ukuthi uNhlanhla Lux ngenkathi abantu beyinsi besipostela ukuthi uba uNhlanhla Lux, athi wow, okay kwenziwa kanje, because ngabona vele kumashi ukuthi something is wrong here. So ngimbhekile, so mase kuvela lama information ngathi okay, all right, nayi lento ebengiyibona. So nalapha Addington ngiqaphelayo ngathi okay, angithi siyamakhola ngisindisiwe egameni kaJesu. So it's not in all instances that the Holy Spirit shows us izinto immediately. Kuya ngaye ngaleso sikhathi ukuthi kusuke kuyisiphi isizathu salokho, but uyakhona ukufika endaweni ubone ukuthi hayi nansi into wrong la, ube ungekabi nabo ubufakazi ngaleso sikhathi. So uThami Ntuli ulwa nama-illegal foreigners. Let me show you Thami Ntuli kafushane. uThami Ntuli ubhidlize wabhodloza ama-construction mafia awamaZulu kuphela. All right, he did not even take 6 months to do that as a fraudulent premier over KZN. Angithi that's fraud. It's not genuine. Nobody voted for that. So it was fraud. The MK party was cheated votes there. Well, so okay, asingangeni kuloko kakhulu. So I'm saying uye wangeniswa ke le DA yakhe noCyril Ramaphosa, and then in less than 6 months wabenzela lo msebenzi kade bemthumelele wona ukuthi ayobaqedela ama-construction mafia. All right, so uyaqeda within 6 months, Zulu construction mafias. And then he is also the same person owathi ngabelungu around 2021 bengakabi nakuma-position ukuthi baqede ama-truck driver amaZulu nama-Black South African akade elwa nalesi hlava sokuqashwa kwama-foreigner eze ekhanda lama-roadblock ku-entry ukuthi bezilwele. Uqede abazilwelayo wangaqeda ama-illegal drivers, akawaqedanga because abelungu bakhe bayawafuna. So and then bese nizothini nithi ulwa nama-illegal immigrants, a person who is that efficient, or amaphoyisa aKwaZulu Natal aripota kuThami he has killed, or he killed 500 Zulu criminals within his first year. No? I would say at this point he has killed possibly more than 1,000 Zulu only criminals. He doesn't kill Shangaan criminals from Mozambique abadlula lapha ku N2 jike lapha eJozini, bathi manguzi laba angithi sihlala la sothi amabhoza awe car smuggling amashangaan. So I'm yet to see Abu Thami Ntuli self-hating Zulus shooting Shangaans to death the way they shoot Zulus to death every day. So he has killed more than 1,000 Zulu criminals. He has created jobs for Zulus who are languishing in hostels right now. There are hostels in Soweto which are asking for donations. It's tough. It's kind of like a concentration camp. On a concentration camp because at least khona ke lama donor foods asemthethweni adlulisayo banakho ukudla at least once a day, guaranteed. You have got no idea what is happening in Zulu hostels of Soweto, and we know what caused that, because it was caused by black on black politics, and then the IFP has moved on and left people who suffered for it languishing. They don't care anyway. In any case, what has the IFP achieved for black South Africans really in the past 30 years? All right, let alone Zulu people. They couldn't care food about Zulus because the Zulu Association inconveniences them because they want to be a national organization. So being associated with Zulus makes them to be hamstrung in terms of growth, but they want the Zulu votes because that's the only thing that gives them power. All right, but they don't care about Zulu people, have never cared, which is why they are very fast and swift at running. Basheshe ukugijima for abelungu, but abasheshe ukugijima for amaZulu wona lawa wenkathi abavotela. So uThami uyinkatha. That's why I'm throwing in the IFP name in this, because ngithi ma umbuzo wami lapho ukuthi seke gijimile, angithi yabo ngizama ukukhombisa ukuthi ugijima kangakanani when the issue is Zulu criminals or Zulu bad people. Zero gijiming ngobugebengu babo Cyril Ramaphosa nanani. Zero gijiming in, like, you have never heard the IFP exposing crimes done by whites and Indians, but we are like nje. Okay, ngizosoke ziningi lezi zinto lezi, but ngicela ukufocusa kule ama illegal immigrants. Ngithi umuntu within 6 months oqede wabhubhisa ama-construction mafia amaZulu, wawayeka ama-construction mafia wamandiya nawabelungu la ahlale ezixakile koBerry and all the stuff, enza izinto ezingekho semthethweni, akanzi lutho and yiwona aqashe ama-foreigner kakhulu. So labo baqashi bakhe, the white capital and Indian folk who are beneficiaries of BEE. Indians have got 90% of BEE deals through those Zulu punks of Durban who set up those statues up there just to mock their own Zulus. So now uThami Ntuli ke bazalwane, umbuzo wami uthi oshesha kanje ugijima amabelungu bemthuma, ufuna ukutshela mina ukuthi kulo 6 months or maybe even a year lokuthi bamelene nama-illegal immigrants bazowaxosha kwashacima, we should do the whole premier on oshesha kangaka against the Zulus uhlulwa ama-illegal immigrant in 6 months namanga. He's not trying to, so he's protecting laborers of his white people. He's an employee of the DA and Cyril Ramaphosa. Both the DA and Cyril Ramaphosa are for open borders. So how can somebody who is only a premier by the fraudulent acts of the ANC of Ramaphosa and the DA of Helen Zille plus the IFP even bother now fighting against illegal immigrants? Their whole premier has only deported less than 200 200 illegal immigrants kwi-province enama-illegal immigrants are more than 3 million. Deported 200 unamanga not trying. It's a smoke screen to fool their IFP loyal people. They are doing something. They're not doing anything, IFP people. By the way, you guys, I may not understand, but the thing in share ninja, nobody nithanda banje. But nagijima impela nayo lokuvikela ama-factory abelungu 2021 July abelungu abanganiqashi ama-factory abeqasha ama-foreigner kwenze njani. So now the same remains the attitude. Angibabona abaholi be-IFP asimyeke uMabaso lo wala eGoli. He seems to be a better one out of the lot in recent times, but he's Armstrong because at the end of the day, angithi, if I remember well, he is himself an installation of Tamintuli. All right, so now he owes certain favors to Tamintuli wabo, but he's trying. But I only want to know one thing. Mina ngathi, okay, if umfolo Mabaso was even trying or genuinely, ngabe iy'tolo zaseDube Hostel as-operate ama-foreign, zo-operate ama-foreign. Ngaye nje eyedwa akho sitolo sama-foreign engabe sikhona ema-hostel ase-Johannesburg. So some of these things for me are abantu aba-actor nje TV to fool their members. I believe premiers have got so much power. Right now, buses and trains, which are supposed to be deporting illegal immigrants from KZN, are supposed to be a streamline on a daily basis. Ayikhona leyo mali kuleka. So deporting them daily, because they are on the streets when they are walking a point. Basically, we are a point to fagi moto. Inside every flat you deport. Yes, it stays empty. Why must it have people to feed the Indian Muslims who are owning those buildings? Those buildings have been taken over by Muslim Indians and intentionally importing Muslim blacks to replace Zulus and to replace black South Africans. And then, so what are you going to say? We're trying to do it economically, not by, or so we not just going in and deporting because la Mandia, la family Mandia azolahlekelwa income. Oh, so those Indians, employers of yours, are more important than 70% starving Zulus. So you'd rather protect an Indian Muslim or own a flat out 20 win than to fight for your Zulu people. Anyway, bengisho nje lokho ukuthi akho Tamintuli la nama illegal immigrants, and nalawo maphoyisa athunyelwe lapho athunyelwe uTamintuli ukuthi azoblocka nina. Thank you.